Alright guys, here's Vincent, and in this video I want to show you how you can edit your LinkedIn profile URL. And for that we need to go on my computer. Alright, so we are currently on LinkedIn, and the first thing you need to do is to click here on your profile picture. So you click on me, then you click on view profile, and then here, as you can see, you have this information here, so profile language and public profile and URL. And if you want to edit your LinkedIn profile URL, you just have to click here on the pen. And then here you have edit your custom URL, and you just have to click one more time on the pen, and then here you can edit your LinkedIn URL. So for example, if you have a string with numbers at the end of your URL, you can just remove that and then click on save. And then you've just changed your LinkedIn URL. There is one case that I want to show you, is sometime when you click on me, then view profile. Here, as you can see, we don't have to change your LinkedIn profile URL. So as you can see with the account of Grégoire, I have this, so public profile and URL, and I can click on the pen, but here I don't have this option. So if you have this problem, you just have to click here on the pen. Then you have to scroll down, and here you have contact info, and you have to click on edit contact info. So you will be on this page, and here you just have to click here on profile URL. You click, and then you will be on the same screen you've seen before. So here you just have to click on the pen, and then here you can change your LinkedIn URL. So let's remove that and click on save. Alright, so now that you know how to edit your LinkedIn profile URL, there is one thing that might interest you. It's how to identify qualified leads if you are a LinkedIn Sales Navigator user. Sales Navigator is by far the best tool to use when you want to find qualified leads. I know it's not easy to use, and that's why I made a 1-hour masterclass on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find qualified leads. So if you want to check this video, you just have to click somewhere on the screen. And now it's time for me to wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.